Hi, in this video today we're going to show you where the fuses are located in this BMW iX3. This is a UK car, so the manual says it's under the passenger side, it's actually under the driver's side, and there's also some located in the back here. The vast majority of them are back here. So to get to the fuses here, we just need to come to this panel and we need to just pull it out like so and lift up, and underneath all this insulation you will see that there's loads of fuses here. So that's one lot of them, and this is easy to put back again. You just need to put the insulation back and you locate the bottom of this lip in this part here and just push it home. Now let's go to the driver's side, but for you it might be the passenger side depending on the country you're in. Remember, this is a right-hand drive car. So we're now under the driver's footwell and there's two thumb screws to undo. One of them is located just here, so just give it a quarter of a turn. Like so, you will feel it when it goes loose. And the other one is located just on the left hand side, again quarter turn, and it comes loose, and this panel will drop down. You need to pull it a little bit towards you because the back's held in place with some clips. And the fuses are located just here, so you can see them all there. And now to put the tray back on, we need to locate the metal prong at the back goes into the plastic part of the tray just there, and again there's a metal part at the back that goes into the plastic part of the tray, so you need to locate them first and then you can do up your thumb screws. And just a quarter turn to do them up. So there we go, that's where the two locations are for the fuses in the BMW iX3. Thank you so much for watching.